What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to this page, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell. Just go ahead and hit all three of them. You're going to want to be here. So the Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ, all down. And unfortunately, this week may be the correction. Now, I've been telling you guys that there's a 10 to 12% correction coming. I've been telling you guys over and over, been talking about stop losses, the correct times to put them on. There's only one stock that I didn't have a stop loss on, and that is CCIV. And I actually doubled down today, right? So there's so much going on with the stock market right now, and I am as calm as ever. As a matter of fact, I went shopping today. So for those of us that know about the stock market and have been here before, over the last 20 years, I've seen this so many times. And what happens is there's three things that people get into. One is emotional trading. Don't do it. Emotional trading, you will lose every time. FOMO, fear of missing out. It's going to get you caught, right? So emotional trading, FOMO, and the third one, which I think is most important once you've bought the stock, is panic selling. You don't panic, you never panic sell. There's nothing wrong with these companies that you invested in. It's just that the overall market is down. And when the overall market is down, everything is down. I always say that's the big whale. Let's use that terminology again. That's when a whale splashes, everybody gets wet. All right. So we talking about the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ all at the same time tanking. That's a big whale splashing. Everybody gets wet. OK, but I will tell you this morning I was down probably $9,000. I looked at it and I'm like, wow, it's real. I wouldn't. Oh, I was like, wow, $9,000. Without me doing anything within an hour. Now, then I'm down $2,900. So if I would have panic sold, I would have lost all of that money, good people. This is what I'm trying to tell you. As a matter of fact, this is actually healthy. This is a healthy correction. A correction is when the stock market falls at least 10%, right? This is actually a healthy correction because it's going in a parabolic. I think it's kind of like going in a parabolic or reverse parabolic, just like walking downstairs. It's better than it just straight tanking, right? Most of you if you're listening to me today, I guarantee if you were trading this morning, you couldn't even trade certain stocks because the apps would stop working. There was a lot of stop losses going on. They were just like rat traps, pop, 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 all over the place. And I'll just tell you guys, it's now the time for cool heads, right? When others are courageous, you be fearful. And when others are fearful, you be courageous. I'm just paraphrasing. I know it's not the exact terminology that Warren Buffett said, but it's the same meaning. And it's true. When everybody else was panic selling, you should have been buying. Exactly. Buying. Because got to think about, remember the principles. The stock market has always over 100 years have always recovered. And this is just a correction. The entire market was overinflated. If this is your first day getting into the stock market, man, you hit jackpot because you're buying everything on a fire sale, right? But for those of you that's been in the market a long time, I just want to show you this. Before tomorrow's opening bell, I want you to pull up a chart. Here we go again. We've been here before, people. Pull up a chart. If you got an iPhone, just go to your stock app and then look at the entire year of 2020. Pick any stock you want to pick, major company, any stock just about. Let's just go to Apple. Look at it before March when, COVID hit, and look at it after March. So before March, COVID, after March, before and after, it's actually higher. So what happens was the smart people down here didn't sell. They waited and now they made a profit. Just wait it out. If you have no more money, just let your money sit. But the people that panic down here, when you sell, you lock in your losses. You don't lose any money until you sell, good people. And so I just want to calm you guys down. And what you should be doing now is looking for good stock. You have that home road show, and somebody come with a painting and they bought it at somebody's garage sale for $10 and it's worth $50,000. That's the way the stock market is, good people. Don't be the one that sells it for $5 when it's worth $50,000, because your trash is somebody else's gold mine. Somebody else is getting $50,000 for what you sold for $5. And so we gotta be savvy. So now is not the time to listen to the TikTok investors. These kids telling you buy, 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 buy. And that's what's causing some of this fallout. Look at what's the whole Reddit thing, how they squeezing these shorters out. And with GameStop, look at that. That was crazy. I'm going to tell y'all something I did this morning before opening bell. I'll be honest with you. I was just straight flexing. For those of you who don't know what flexing means, is I was a little cocky. This morning before open bell, so what they did was they were running this stock up, GameStop, GME. They was running it up, right? And so then they said, hey, let's do the same thing to AMC. So now they start running AMC up. Company's not worth what the stock price is, nowhere close to it. And they're running the price up. So this morning, 20 minutes before opening bell, I bought 100 shares of AMC at $14.49. 10 minutes before the market opened, I sold it for $21.35. Easy money. So remember, good people, you got to think about chess. You got to think what other people are doing. And that's what the institutions are doing to new investors. They're just toying with you. They're toying with you and making the money. And so it's easy to make money with people that's new. And unfortunately, TikTok and those type of apps are just getting people in a lot of trouble. So I'm just telling you guys that look at it, take a deep breath, don't sell. If you're in a good stock, a good company, just look at it and then think, you know what? If I'm in Apple, especially these staples, it's on sale. And if you have more money, buy more. And if not, just sit back and relax. Let it come back. It'll come back. And that's what the stock market is. There's bull markets and bear markets, Bulls make money, bears make money, hogs are fit to be slaughtered. Y'all know the whole saying, and it's true. But you gotta be smart, good people. And that's why, for those of you that say, why don't you just give us a stock and don't tell us? I'm not trying to just give you fish. I'm trying to teach you how to fish. And so our family, I thank God for the people, all you guys, because we're thinkers. We're savvy investors. We know how to navigate through this. I am going to tell you this. The most money I've made in the stock market, check this out, was 2020 during COVID and 2008 during the recession. Hands down, those 2 years were the years that I made the most money when everybody else was panicking. Because all you got to do is follow the big money. Just think about this. Here's a pie. 75% of that pie, which represents all of the stock in the stock market, are owned by institutions. I have to keep saying this because I want you to get this in your mind. Then only 25% of that are retail investors. That's you and I. Out of that small slice, which represents 25%, 85% of that are millionaires. What is that telling you? And they are all in the stock market this year. They're expecting to make money. So I've been telling you guys there's a 10 to 12% correction coming. It's here and it might continue this whole week. And it's healthy, right? I'm not worried because the stock that I'm in, I'm solid. And it's time to start looking for some stock. Look at the ones. Just yesterday, I talked about Drive Shack, DS, some months ago. And a lot of you guys, what about drafts? It was making a comeback yesterday. So now I didn't look at it today. It's probably down because everything else is down. So what is that telling you? They're hiring people. They're hiring spokespersons of professional golfers that are spokespersons because they're getting ready to explode. So is it a good stock? Yep. And you got stock like that that are set to explode when this smoke clears. So I just want you to know, just think about Trading Places, the movie with Eddie Murphy when he's on it. This is a perfect example. He's on the trading floor like this. And these people are, everybody else, oh, sales. He's like, I love that movie. But that's where you need to be. You need to just chill. Take a chill pill. I should have titled this, Take a Chill Pill. We're going to make money, good people. We're going to make a lot of money. Here's what I want you guys to do today. If you just have a Webull app or a Robinhood app or one of those phone-based apps, today, I want you to open up a Fidelity account. Open it up. Because I got news for a lot of you. Fidelity does fractional shares now. You could buy it by the amount of money now. So if you want Tesla, you can buy $10 worth of Tesla within Fidelity. I'm going to talk about that probably tomorrow. I'm going to make a video about that tomorrow because I am going to do a $5 a day challenge. And what that really is dollar cost averaging over years. So here's what's going to surprise a lot of you. So if you invest in the same stock for 10 years, and let's say 1 year the stock performs 40% up, and then the second year it's negative 2%, you actually make more money when it's negative 2% because you're buying it at a discount. I want you guys to think about that where we are today, right? And I just wanted to just come in and just tell you guys to just chill. Don't panic sell. It's a fire sale right now. We're going to be savvy. And that's why I like channels like this channel, Stock Up with Larry Jones. I like channels like Chris Sane. You know, I like channels like Stockmo because we know what we're talking about. And so we're not, and if I'm giving you 15 new stock every day, you ain't got no money left. Yeah, I said ain't. I'm from Chi-Town. I'm from Chicago. We say X and ain't. So I just want y'all to chill and watch your money come back like mine did this morning. I mean, if I would have panic sell, I would have been out of thousands of dollars. So what you need to do is cash up and get ready. Open up that Fidelity account. As anybody that's over 28 and you just have a Webull or a Robinhood app, open up a Fidelity account. You don't even have to fund it right now. Open it up. I'm going to grab your hand and we're going to walk through this together and we're going to make a lot of money. I'm telling you. So, and just remember, I am going to make a video tomorrow. I'm going to do a $5 a day challenge. Number one, we're going to set it on automatic. We're going to make it easy for you guys. And then I want you guys to get a Fidelity because if you even thinking about retirement, you need to be in a Schwab or TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. I'm going to just say roll with Fidelity because a lot of good tools in there. And you can invest money into an IRA. And when you get ready to pull the money out, you won't be taxed, good people. I'm trying to help y'all. All right. And so you're not doing all that with Robinhood. And this Robinhood is cool. Everybody got a Robinhood. I got 3 different platforms, but you use it what it's good for. And you cannot trade OTC stock on Robinhood and Webull, over the counter stock, penny stock. And those of you that roll with me, so far, all of my penny stock, with the exception of one that's set to explode, has exploded. One made 381%. One we doubled in a month. I mean, in 3 weeks, we doubled. So let's make this money. But I can tell you right now, it's a lot of money to be made. All right, good people. I just wanted to stop in and let you guys know that. And no, don't panic. If you sell now, you lock in your losses. You haven't lost any money. You haven't lost any money until you sell. All right. All right. Let's make this money, good people. Live, love, laugh, and learn.